Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the hidden secrets of businesses and try to figure out if they are actually as good as they seem or if they are just, well, good at writing press releases. Today we're diving into a filing from McEwen Inc, and let me tell you, this one has a bit of a sparkle to it. Or maybe it is just the gold they're looking for. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you are subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we chat about these filings regularly. So come join the conversation. Alright, so McEwen Inc is giving us an update and it's about their Gallo mine project. Now, the main news here is that the Mexican government has given them an extension on their environmental impact assessment. This is a pretty big deal for them. Think of an environmental impact assessment like a big check to make sure a project won't mess up the environment too badly. Getting an extension on this means they are still working through the approval process, but it's a positive step, and a lot of people are watching this because it is expected to let them kick off phase 1 of their mill construction. So, we're talking about starting to build the actual facility to process minerals in the middle of next year. This is where the real work and investment starts to happen. This update comes as a press release, and it is part of their regular reporting to keep investors and the public in the loop. It is important to remember that this kind of news, while positive, is also a bit of a look into the future. They themselves are telling us that much of what they are saying are estimates and predictions about the future. They are saying things like, we expect or it is anticipated. That is not necessarily bad, but it means we need to be aware that things might not turn out exactly as planned. And they are very clear about the risks. They talk about fluctuating metal prices, mining industry challenges, political and economic situations in other countries, and even getting necessary permits on time. They are also upfront about potential problems with construction and production costs. It's like they are saying, hey, we're excited about this, but there are a lot of things that could go wrong, and we want you to know about them. This piece about mineral resources and reserves is crucial for a mining company. It means they are talking about how much gold, silver, or whatever they are after they think is actually in the ground, and how sure they are about those estimates. If these calculations are off, the whole project economics can change dramatically. They also flag risks related to currency. When you are operating in different countries, especially with fluctuating economies, the value of the money you earn and spend can change. This can really impact profitability, and they are certainly acknowledging that. Just a quick look at their stock. Their common stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Under the ticker MUX, this means they are a publicly traded company, and these reports are what keep the market informed. Now, let's shift gears slightly and look at the signatures. This is where the top folks at the company put their name on the line, saying that everything in this report is accurate to the best of their knowledge. Here we see Carmen Diges, their general counsel, signing off. This signifies the official approval of the content by the company's legal leadership. So, what's the big picture here for McEwen Inc? Its latest filing tells us they are moving forward with their Gallo mine project with a key environmental permit extension. This is a necessary step to get to the actual construction phase. The company is being transparent about the forward-looking nature of their statements and the many risks involved, from market swings to operational challenges. They're essentially saying they have a plan, got a green light for the next step, but the road ahead is definitely not guaranteed to be smooth. Mining is a business of big bets, and this filing is a window into one of those big bets. What is your take on McEwen's strategy? Do you think the Gallo mine project is a solid bet, or are the risks too high? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth corporate analysis. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, for more real-time discussions. Thanks for watching, see you next time.